Everybody's very excited about genome editing in general. It's a really hot area. But having it at a meeting and a workshop that's specifically focused on hematological applications, that's really where the technology is. These are the first to clinic applications of this exciting technology.
Hematology is really on the forefront of this application of technology to patients, in part because we have lots of experience with cellular delivery in hematology in terms of bone marrow transplant. And we have a number of disorders which would be amenable to correction, and already there's solid evidence from immunotherapy of the benefit of modified cells.
And in order to take a technology like this from the bench to the patient, it involves work of basic researchers, scientists at biotech and pharmaceutical companies, and also regulatory officials. So what ASH is trying to do is bring all of these parties together to discuss the logistics of new therapies.
People from the FDA speaking, people from companies, people who sort of work in the regulatory area talking about what the process was. And I thought that was a quite unusual and extremely helpful aspect of the meeting because it kind of tied everything together.
Yeah, I think it gives researchers a chance to interact with the pharmaceutical companies. That might be the best way and the most expeditious way to move a therapy from the bench to the bedside. And it also gives both academia and industry the opportunity to talk to the regulators, the patient bodies, the foundations that support novel therapies being applied to some of these very debilitating diseases. So it's a great opportunity for these stakeholders that might not necessarily have the opportunity to interact to get together in a very informal setting.
Graduate students, even postdocs, don't get exposed to the kind of business side of things too often. So getting to see a lot of these products being translated and a lot of collaboration between investigators who are doing basic science and translational research and working with companies at the same time is pretty great.
The meeting runs the whole range of things from the sort of the technology to the application, which really I think catches people's imagination and lets people think, I know what I want to do next.